Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Today we're going to do a quick first look at a new pinball pickup that I got recently. I just have unloaded it and moved it in here, so it's not completely together, but I'm pretty excited. This is a very rare, unusual, historically significant game. I don't know if you could tell by looking at this, but it's a Gottlieb, and it's called Caveman. What's cool about this game is it's a hybrid video game pinball. You see there's actually a screen embedded in the middle of the playfield, and then you'll see like the lockdown bar is definitely different. There's a joystick mounted there too. So you can flip between playing pinball and playing the video game. And the video game kind of looks a lot like Wizard of War. I really have not had an opportunity to play this game a whole lot, but I had a chance to pick this up. When I went to go get it, it did boot up and it ran, but it had some problems with it. So I'm going to need to go over the whole game and take a good look at it. And you can see here's the top for the game. It's definitely a different. Doesn't have your typical back glass. That's flipped upside down. Your scores are right here, and the marquee. So it would fit on top of that right there. You have to kind of imagine it flipped around, but everything is here. I think there's a couple of things I'm going to have to go over. I'm going to probably do a little bit more of an in-depth video once I get the head on. But we'll take this glass off, take the lockdown bar, look underneath the playfield, check everything. So I had to disconnect it to transport it, so I'm going to have to do that. I also noticed there's a battery on the MPU board. I'm going to have to get that off as soon as possible. It doesn't look like it's barfed yet, but we will get rid of that quickly. And it looks like it's in relatively decent shape. I can see there's some wear right here around the pop bumpers. You can see that. But the rest of the game artwork looks pretty good. It's obviously filthy. I noticed that there are two vary targets up here. This one's all the way pushed to the back. This one's forward. I don't know if that one on the right side is broken or not. I do know that one of the flippers doesn't work, and supposedly the plunger is all messed up too. So I'll be systematically going over the game and checking it out. But from the looks, look at the cabinets, nice and clean. You know, there's a few scuffs here and there, but I think this game will clean up nice. Same thing with the head. It's pretty nice. Got the cool video marquee, and I'll be going over everything little by little. So expect to see some videos of this. Looks like somebody had something taped here. Old masking tape. I don't know why. But should be an interesting project. I'm looking forward to getting this thing working and doing a pinball showcase on it. So stay tuned for more. And be sure to visit PinballHelp.com and subscribe to the YouTube channel, YouTube/PinballHelp. And until next time, thanks for watching.